Well, today we're going to be putting some drift sleeves on our old electric trike, and we're going to see if we can rip some So,
Can you say that?
well, I got my new bleeper, so we can say whatever we want to say.
They said the old bleeper would pick up the bleeps.
Yeah, this is a clown horn. So we're putting some Maxxis tires on here with the drift sleeves, and we're gonna go see if we can rip it around. I've never personally driven any type of miniature drift vehicle or even real drift vehicle. Flip
that thing around. He's in for a treat. Not to be an old codger, but I've already done this. It's fun. You can get out of control very fast, though. Like if you're going fast and just like, it's so much fun. Like your mind's gonna be blown. You've never done it before.
No.
You're gonna be addicted, just like your boy said.
I've never done it.
Like you'll just be going, just shift your weight a little bit. You'll get into a full power slide.
All right, so step one is we need to get the sleeves on these new wheels and tires. So Ben's over here hustling, saying it's a little bit difficult.
Yeah, definitely not as easy as the old dirt track tires. So Tech Tip Friday. These Van K P0 wheels, you measure this outer lip is bigger in diameter than this inner one. You'll sit there all day trying to get that tire over this. Got to start it on the inside, work your way to the outside.
There you go. There you go. Just give her one. There you go.
I'm not even playing that up. That's tough work. Okay, so you got your sleeve, tire. Oh man, that is such a perfect fit.
Dang.
Decent. Yeah, you're gonna have some fun on this. It's Friday, put in a whole day's worth of work. We're on what, hour 13? Figured we make a little content for the followers.
Think this thing will drift sweet?
One way to find out.
You ready to roll?
Yes, sir. Think you're gonna have some fun.
You ready?
Yeah.
All right, I guess we're gonna try and drift this thing.
Drift tutorials. Okay, so you want to shift your weight, pull up on the left side, slide your weight to the right. Throttle control, you got to be real easy but gentle but hard. And then you extend it. Cut those tires off. The lamest thing is whenever you see people spin around.
What do you think?
Oh, this is awesome. It's a blast. It's quiet. That's just characteristic of the electric. I mean, smooth, enough torque and power. I mean, we're just out here just trying to have a good time, man. Friday, nice weather. Got these new drift sleeves in. T-Money hooked us up with these freaking slicks.
T-Money?
12-inch slick. Like, thank our sponsors, Maxxis. Hooked us up with these tires. Real reason why we're out here today. I mean, without those guys,
we're basically not even using the tires.
You know, they're a vehicle for the for the plastic. So I think we just need to end it, man. It's been a long week. Yeah. Tired.
Busy.
Up since like 5, making frames, shipping orders, axles, all sorts of stuff.